Chapter 6 Programming Language Python. Chapter Profile. Features of Python. Starting Python. Working in script mode. Python variables. Python keywords. Python comments. Data types in Python. Python operators. Input and output functions. Simple Python programs. Python is a general-purpose interpreted, interactive, object-oriented, and high-level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum. Python is designed to be highly readable. It uses English keywords frequently, whereas other languages use punctuation, and it has fewer syntactical constructions than other languages. The Python programming language has a wide range of applications in web development as well as scientific and mathematical computing. Nowadays, Python is gaining more attention as it's great for data analysis, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. It does not require a compiler to run the applications as it is an interpreter language. Features of Python. As a programming language, Python has many features that allow the students to learn the language quickly. Easy to learn with simple syntax. Interpreted, so you can run code without compiling. High level, meaning you can focus on solving problems rather than on technical details. Dynamically typed, so you don't need to declare variable types. Supports multiple programming paradigms, styles. Large standard library with pre-built tools. Open source and free to use. Runs on different platforms, Windows, macOS, Linux. Starting Python. There are two different ways to start Python. Interactive mode, script mode. Interactive mode. Interactive mode is a command line shell that gives immediate results for each statement while running previously typed statements in active memory. In this mode, you type the one command at a time, and the Python executes the given command there and then gives you output in interactive mode. You type the command in front of the Python command prompt. Opening interactive mode. To open Python interactive mode, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. The Start menu will appear. Step 2. Click on the All Apps. Step 3. Click the Python 3.12 folder. Step 4. Click IDL, Python 3.12 64-bit. IDL Shell 3.12 opens up, where you will see the Python prompt. In interactive mode, you can type commands in front of it, and as soon as you enter a command, Python will execute it and display the result. Info Byte. Python Win is the first Windows interface for Python and is an IDE with a GUI. Working in interactive mode. To print Hello World on the screen. In interactive mode, beside the Python prompt, type print Python world, then press the Enter key and the Python interpreter will immediately display Python world. Python is case sensitive and therefore it differentiates between uppercase and lowercase letters. This makes it necessary that no command is given in a way other than that it is specified. Thus, print Python world is completely wrong and Python will show you an error message instead of the expected output. Script mode. Script mode in Python allows you to first write the Python program inside a script file and execute it afterward. You can execute the script of code either using the command prompt of the Python IDE installed in your system. In the script mode, anytime you can view the code that you have written inside the file and can modify it before executing it next time. That's why editing a Python code becomes quite easy in script mode and you can edit or view the code as many times as needed. You can write long pieces of code in script mode, and that's why many expert programmers prefer it over the interactive mode of execution. The Python file created in script mode are usually saved by default inside the folder where your Python IDE is installed, and it is saved with the Python file py extension. To open script mode, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open IDL in interactive mode. Step 2. Click on File New File. A new blank window appears. This window contains the various menus. Each menu contains a number of options for performing various operations. Menu Operations. File. It contains options like New, Open, Save, and Print the files. Edit. It contains options to edit the content of the file. Format. It contains options like indent, dedent, comment out, and uncomment. Run. It contains the option to run the module of the program. Options. It contains commands for viewing and changing various default settings. Window. It contains commands for window management. Help. It is used to obtain help on any particular topic. Working in script mode. To create a program in script mode, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click File, New File in the IDL shell. Step 2. In the new window that opens, type the commands you want to save in the form of a program or script. Step 3. Now type the following code into the shell window. Print Hello Friends. Print Python is a case-sensitive language. Print Python is a highly portable language. Step 4. To save your program, click on the File menu, then select the Save option. The Save As dialog box appears, where you can select the folder to save the file. Type the file name in the File Name text box. The Python program have a py extension automatically. Running a Python program. To run or execute the program, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Run menu and select the Run module option from the drop-down menu. Step 2. It will execute all the commands stored in the program that you had opened and show you the complete output in a Python shell window. Python variables. Variables are nothing but reserved memory locations used to store values. This means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in memory. In Python, you don't need to declare variables before using them, unlike other languages like Java, C, etc. Assigning values to a variable. Python variables do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space. The declaration happens automatically when you assign a value to a variable. The equal sign is used to assign values to variables. Syntax x equals sign 50, print x. This will assign value 50 to the variable x and will print it. Try it yourself. Variables can work in both interactive mode and script mode. The following program uses variables to display a message. Python keywords. Keywords are nothing but special names that are already present in Python. There are 31 keywords in Python. We can use these keywords for specific functionality while writing a Python program. Python comments. Comments are programmer coherent statements that describe what a block of code means. They become very useful when you are writing large code. It's practically inhuman to remember the names of every variable when you have a 100-page program or so. Therefore, using comments makes it easier for you or someone else to read as well as modify the code. Syntax hash. This is a comment. Data types in Python. Python supports various data types. These data types defines the operations possible on the variables and the method of storing them. Below is the list of standard data types available in Python. Text type, star, numeric types, int, float, complex. Sequence types, list, tuple, range. Mapping type, dict. Set types, set, frozen set. Boolean type, bool. Binary types, bytes, byte array, memory view. Python operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Python divides the operators into the following groups: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators. Here we will discuss only the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform basic mathematical operations. Let us have a look on all operators one by one. Assume variable A holds 20 and variable B holds 30. Operators. Description. Example. Plus adds values on either side of the operators. A plus B equals sign 50. Minus subtracts the right-hand operate from the left-hand operate. A P equals sign 10. Asterisk multiplies values on either side of the operators. A asterisk B equals sign 600. Slash divides the left-hand operate by the right-hand operate. B slash A equals sign 1.5. Percentage divides the left-hand operate by right-hand operate. B percent A equals sign 10. Asterisk asterisk performs exponential power calculation on operators. A asterisk asterisk B equals sign 20 to the power 30. Double slash the division of operates where double slash the division of operates where the result is the quotient in which the digits after decimal point are removed. But if one of the operates is negative, the result is flowed, that is rounded away from 0 towards negative infinity. 9 double slash 2 equals sign 4 and 9.0 double slash 2.0 equals sign 4.0 minus 11 double slash 3 equals sign minus 4 and minus 11.0 double slash 3 equals sign minus 4.0. Input and output function. The input function is used to read user input from the keyboard. Syntax: input prompt, name equals sign input, enter your name. The print function is used to display output on the screen. You can format output using string interpolation and formatting. Syntax: print prompt, print hello plus name. Simple Python program. Program 1. The following program uses 3 variables to find the sum and average. Save the program using the File menu and provide a file name in the Save As dialog box. Execute the program by pressing the F5 function key. The output will appear as shown below. Program 2. The following program is used to find the area and circumferences of a circle. Save the program using the File menu and provide a file name in the Save As dialog box. Execute the program by pressing the FS5 function key. The output will appear as shown below. At a glance. Python is a general-purpose interpreted, interactive, object-oriented, and high-level programming language. Python has an online forum where thousands of coders gather daily to improve this language further. Interactive mode is a command line shell which gives immediate results for each statement while running previously typed statements in active memory. You type the command in front of the Python command prompt. Python is case sensitive and therefore it differentiates between uppercase and lowercase. This makes it necessary that no command is given in the way other than that it to be is specified. In the script mode, anytime you can view the code that you have written inside the file and can modify it before executing it next time. Variables are reserved memory locations used to store values. Comments are programmer coherent statements that describe what a block of code means. Python supports various data types. These data types defines the operations possible on the variables and the method of storing them. Arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations.